Welcome to the video. Welcome to the channel. My name is Rory. Today we're going to isolate the color red.
I hope you like red.
Any color for that matter. It doesn't have to be red, but in this case we're going to isolate the red color. We're in our edit tab. I dragged down our video clip, some red roses, gentle breeze. We're going to hop over into the color page. We're going to make sure that we have RGB mixer on. If it's not, simply click on this icon. We're going to come down here to monochrome. We're going to check that and make our photo black and white, or our video. We're going to right click this node. We're going to add node, add layer. That's going to create a copy of your video. We're going to click this qualifier. If it isn't on, you want this icon, the qualifier. We're going to click our picker right here, this first one. We're going to make that video a little smaller so we can see it all. And we're simply going to click in the red area. Now it didn't bring it all back, so we want to come down here and choose this one with the plus sign. That's going to add color back in, and we're simply going to click in the areas that aren't red to bring that red back in. There, we went a little too far. I'll hit Control V. I brought in some green. We don't want to do that. It looks pretty good. I think we got most of that red back in. I chose this one on purpose because there's a lot of different shades of red here. So you can see that did a pretty good job. Now we're going to go back to our edit page. We're going to play that video. And you can see we have our red roses and everything else is in black and white. Pretty simple. That's all I have in this video.
Is that all you have?
Please like and subscribe. We'll see you in the next video.